The most exciting thing I've ever done.
I've been working on something secretly for months, and I finally have permission to share it. I created my very own subscription box. Clearly I'm very excited, so let me explain what this means. There's nothing that makes me more sad than seeing you guys give up on a project because you feel like you don't have everything that you need. So I created this box specifically so that you will never feel like that again. Each month, craft supplies will magically show up on your doorstep. And with the box, you will get specific tutorials made by me so that you will never run out of ideas and so that none of the craft supplies go to waste. We'll also create an online community where we can share all of our projects and where you can ask me for help if you need it. Not to mention the company that's working with me on this is amazing and I love them with all my heart. Their number one goal is to give back, and that's why I decided to work with them for this. So that means that you're supporting people who can't afford art supplies, you're supporting me to be a full-time art creator, and you're also saving a ton of money because this is actually a super smoking deal for what you're getting. I am so excited for this. This is literally my dream. And I just hope that you're as excited as I am because I actually really need your help. If you want to craft with me and join the little craft community, then I really need you to get the pre-sale box. If I don't get enough pre-sales, then this opportunity will be gone forever and I will be so sad. So please get the pre-sale box with the link in my bio and let's craft together.